I think our mission is to make this world a better place. Companies should have a positive influence to the social, and our products can satisfy consumers but also solve these environment problems all around the world by reducing the disposal. We need to continue this movement and expand this movement. Our goal is to make a better world, but we cannot achieve this goal by ourselves. We need the contribution from consumers and from our partners. And by this donation program, I believe this can be a great opportunity to share our faith and the first step to go forward, working together to make a better world.
It's a modest beginning, yet a meaningful one. Join our ambition to make the initiative global, for life and the earth and for our children.